case, it was so there were like two other students from Collegepond who had got into the same program, and they contacted me, and they they already had a house in place because they had contacts with people in Irvine, and we knew where we have to search for apartments from our seniors. Most of the Indian students in Irvine, they stay in a complex called as Park West Apartments, and it is decently priced. It has a lot of Indian students as well as some Chinese students, and so they had found out about it from the seniors, and they contacted me. So we chose a 3-bed 2-bath apartment. So there were 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it cost us around so we are 6 people, and it cost us around $500 per month for the rent, and for your food and other expenses you can add another $100 or $150. The teaching process over here, there will be a few courses that will disappoint you, but most of the courses have a very great emphasis on the project or the assignments that they're giving you, and they want it to be. So the first shock that most of the Indian students are going to get is you'll have to give up plagiarizing stuff. You copying from each other's works and submitting your assignments. So that is one change that you'll have to imbibe before you get here. And the teaching process as such is I can't say that the teaching process is different. It's more like the culture of us learning, the way we are going to learn is going to change. You can't be doing the same thing that you're doing in India. You'll have to do a lot of projects over here. You'll have to do them on your own. So during the orientation, you're going to get to meet students from all the disciplines, from maybe from mechanical, civil, and biotech. All of those students will gather at one place. There'll be food. You'll get to meet and talk, and there'll be some social networking events which make you feel good. Explore the events, meet new people, because that's going to be the only time that you're going to have such a social event. For the program that I enrolled, we were mostly, I'd say 50% Indian students, 50% Chinese students, and there are a few students of who are American. And the class strength is around, I guess, 110, I guess, per class. There are many students who feel like only if you have experience you'll be able to get an internship or you have an added advantage. No, I don't think so. There were many students who just got out of college and they got into MCS program. Once you've got an internship, you'll get a lot of time. You'll be more relaxed with the courses that you take, and you can plan a trip like between the quarters when you get your holidays. That's when I plan my trips with my roommates.